Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use depth of field in Blender to make your renders look more cinematic and professional. In this scene, I have a cube in the front and a palm tree in the back. Now, let's say I want the palm tree or any part of the background to look blurry, while keeping the cube sharp and in focus. To do that, first select your camera. Go to the Camera Properties tab and check the box that says Depth of Field. This activates the effect. Now, the most important setting is the focus distance. This value decides what part of the scene will be in focus. You can manually change the distance, or even better, use the eyedropper tool. With the eyedropper, you just click on the object you want to focus on, and Blender will automatically measure the correct distance between the camera and that object. Next, let's talk about the f-stop value. This controls how much blur you'll see. The lower the f-stop value, the blurrier your background will look. If you increase it, the blur will be softer or even barely noticeable. So, play with this value until you get the look you want. Now, here's a very useful tip. If the object you want to focus on is part of an animation, for example, if it moves closer or farther from the camera, manually setting the focus distance won't work very well. Instead, you can use the Focus on Object option. Just select the object you want, and the camera will always stay focused on it, even if it moves during the animation. This makes it much easier to keep your shots sharp and cinematic. And that's how you can use depth of field in Blender to add a professional cinematic touch to your renders and animations. Hey friends, before you go, I've got something special for you. I created a PDF called Plus 100 Blender Pro Tips for your daily practice. It's packed with shortcuts, tricks, and hidden features that make Blender easier, faster, and honestly, way more fun. And the best part? It's always updated to the latest Blender version, and you get lifetime access with just one purchase. That's right, buy once, enjoy forever. So go ahead, check the link in the description, and grab your copy from my Gumroad page. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next tutorial.